Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the image ID for this Hanada image in Grow According to Game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First, you're going to purchase the picture frame crate from the gear shop, and then you're going to open it and place the picture frame in your garden. And then you're going to change the image ID so you can get this Hanada image or Hanada portrait. You're going to edit the image ID, and you're going to enter this ID 6777333627, and you're going to enter it and you'll get this Hanada image for your garden. And you can change the ID if you want to get another image, guys. Each image or each code or each ID will give you different image. And I think this is a very fun feature in Grow Garden too. Okay, guys, and that's about the Hinata image ID for your picture frame in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!